No, my dear, I can't just tell them. It's too complicated for them to know. I know that, but I don't want them to worry, 'cause if they worry too much, I might frighten them a lot, and I don't want that. Why can't you Oh, hello, my dear. You're up awful early at this time. What are you doing up at 2 a.m.? I see. Here, come sit down next to me. Huh? No, I'm fine, my dear. You don't need to worry about me. No, I insist. I'm fine, my dear. I'm fine, okay? My dear, I'm fine. How about you go back upstairs and rest? The sun hasn't even risen yet, my dear. Please, I insist, go back to your room. You need all the rest you can get. Of course you say no, you are always the stubborn type. I suppose I can get you a drink while you're down here. Let's see here, let me just get this and up. Ugh. It got worse, of course. No, I'm fine, my dear. You don't need to worry. I just dropped something. I'll be out shortly. Ugh. Now to hide these into the trash where they belong. Now to pick up the broken glass on the floor. Here you are, my dear. Drink up. It's not poisoned this time. I promise it's not poisoned this time. See, it's not poisoned this time. Although, you should get in bed now. Now, my dear. I'm not playing. Good. I just can't tell them how I feel yet. I will protect them, no matter what I have to do. I will protect them. They are under my protection. Forever. They don't have a choice.